In this video, we're going to show you how to install and route the subwoofer wire in your Toyota 4Runner. In this first step, we're going to route the wiring through the door sill. Then we're going to tuck the 12 gauge wiring underneath this panel here by using our fingers. Here you can see Hector is grabbing both sides of the wire and then he's pulling on either side of the panel to remove any slack. Continue running the subwoofer wire along the rear door sill like you see here. Then simply pull up on the rubber gasket and move it out of the way. Next, using a large zip tie, attach your subwoofer wire with some tape to the zip tie. Then carefully feed the zip tie through the plastic body panel in the sheet metal like you see here in the video. Underneath the cover that hides your tire jack and tools, you'll have access to the zip tie. Pull the zip tie through along with the 12 gauge wire and you're done with the 12 gauge wire installation. Be sure to subscribe here on YouTube, follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and like us on Facebook.